Hey y'all, welcome back. Today, we're diving into making life easier for you and your little ones. The transition from milk to solid foods is a big milestone, filled with new discoveries and a bit of mess. The habits you introduce now can shape their relationship with food for years. That's why I'm excited to share a simple tool that can make a world of difference. The Pacifier Feeder. It's a fun, safe way to introduce your baby to new flavors and textures. Let's get started. Let's talk about picky eating. We've all been there, lovingly preparing a plate of healthy foods, only to be met with a tiny shake of the head or a full-on food-flinging fiesta. Picky eating often stems from sensory sensitivities or a lack of exposure to diverse flavors early on. But what if I told you there's a way to prevent those mealtime battles? Introducing a variety of foods from a young age can make a huge difference, and the Pacifier Feeder is a game changer. A pacifier feeder isn't just a feeding tool, it's a versatile companion in your baby's early food journey. It's a gateway to a world of flavors and textures for your little one, allowing them to safely explore new tastes. The thoughtful design ensures that only small, manageable bits of food pass through, so your baby can explore new tastes safely without the risk of choking. From smooth purees to chunkier textures, a pacifier feeder prepares your baby for traditional solid foods, making the transition smoother and more enjoyable. It encourages independence and self-feeding, building confidence and positive associations with food, which are crucial for healthy eating habits. Plus, it can be a lifesaver during teething. Just fill it with chilled fruits or veggies for a soothing treat that can help ease discomfort and keep your baby happy. Using a pacifier feeder effectively is all about consistency and a little know-how. It's a wonderful tool to help your baby transition to solid foods, while also providing comfort. Start introducing the pacifier feeder around 6 months of age, when your baby is beginning to show interest in solid foods. Look for signs of readiness such as reaching for food, showing curiosity about what you're eating, or being able to sit up with minimal support. Get creative with your food choices. Offering a variety of foods not only keeps things interesting, but also helps your baby develop a broad palate. Start with mild-flavored options like mashed bananas or avocados, which are gentle on your baby's developing taste buds. Then, gradually introduce more vibrant flavors. Rotate foods regularly to spark curiosity and prevent food boredom. This variety is key to keeping your baby engaged and excited about mealtime. As your baby gets the hang of smooth purees, start introducing chunkier foods to develop their chewing skills. This progression is crucial for their oral motor development. Pair familiar favorites with new foods to ease them into new tastes. This method helps in making the transition smoother and less intimidating for your baby. To ease them into new tastes, always pair new foods with familiar favorites. This way, they are more likely to accept and enjoy the new flavors. Positive reinforcement goes a long way. Praise and encourage your baby every time they try something new. This builds their confidence and makes mealtime a positive experience. Praise and encourage your baby every time they try something new. Your positive reactions will make them more eager to explore different foods. Every time they try something new, make sure to show your excitement. This will help them associate new foods with positive experiences. Incorporate the pacifier feeder into regular mealtimes to create a sense of familiarity. This helps your baby feel more comfortable and secure during feeding times. To create a sense of familiarity, use the pacifier feeder during regular mealtimes. This routine helps your baby understand that mealtime is a safe and enjoyable part of their day. Engage all senses. Let your baby see, touch, and smell the food before offering it. This sensory exploration is an important part of their learning process and helps them become more comfortable with new foods. Let's talk about the fun part, the food. Introducing your baby to a variety of flavors can be an exciting journey for both of you. The possibilities are endless when it comes to filling those pacifier feeders. You can experiment with different textures and tastes to see what your baby enjoys the most. Start with fruits like bananas, mangoes, and strawberries. These fruits are not only delicious, but also packed with essential vitamins and nutrients. And blueberries, fantastic options for early feeding adventures. They are rich in antioxidants and can be a great addition to your baby's diet. Next, try veggies like steamed and pureed carrots, sweet potatoes, and broccoli. These vegetables are gentle on the tummy and full of fiber. Mix and match to create your own blends. Don't forget about protein. Cooked lentils or soft scrambled eggs add nutrition and keep little bellies full. These protein sources are easy to digest and provide the necessary energy for your growing baby. Add a touch of flavor with spices and herbs for a world of aroma. Introducing mild spices can make the food more interesting and enjoyable for your baby. Let's set those little ones up for a lifetime of healthy eating habits. Avoid added sugars and processed foods to develop taste buds that appreciate natural sweetness. Keep mealtimes interesting by rotating foods regularly and introducing new flavors and textures often. Be a role model. Showcase healthy eating habits yourself. Consistency is key. Don't get discouraged if your baby rejects a new food initially. Keep offering it in different ways. Eventually, they just might surprise you. You might be thinking, does it really work? Well, I've seen the magic of pacifier feeders firsthand, and I'm not alone. Parents everywhere are singing the praises of this little tool, transforming picky eaters into adventurous eaters. Research shows that introducing babies to a variety of flavors early on can reduce food neophobia and promote healthy eating habits. So, take it from the experts and countless parents. The pacifier feeder is more than just a trend, it's a tool backed by experience and science. Well, there you have it, the pacifier feeder. A simple tool with the power to transform your baby's feeding journey. Start early, stay consistent, and make food fun. Imagine those sweet faces lighting up as they explore new flavors and textures. With patience and love, you can say goodbye to mealtime battles and hello to culinary adventures. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow parents. Don't forget to subscribe for more parenting tips and inspiration. Happy feeding, y'all!